And hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Thanks for streaming with us. We've got a lot of cloud cover out there. And you know, tomorrow is the first day of spring, and wouldn't you know it, lows will be in the 40s. I think the coolest low that we've seen in a little while, and the coolest low of the next 7 days will be tomorrow morning, which is the first day of spring. All right, got a lot of cloud cover out there right now. It is a cloudy one. There are some returns showing up on the radar. I'll show you that right in just a minute. But I think the northern part of that, a lot of that's probably not reaching the ground. Temperature right now, 62 degrees. The low this morning, 56, a little bit above average, but not too far. Record low is 23 back in 1892, and the record high, 95, set back in 2013. All right, this is what I'm expecting for the rest of the afternoon. Lots of clouds, but I am expecting a little bit of some sunshine. Let's call it mostly cloudy this afternoon, and high temperatures in the mid-60s. Kind of cool for this time of the year. We should be in the mid-70s this time, right around the first day of spring. All right, notice the radar just really lighting up. Matter of fact, down south of Tilden, there's a few rumbles of thunder, and I've even seen a little bit around the Eagle Pass and Uvalde areas. Let's take a closer look here. I mean, first of all, northern part of this, there's a dry layer of air at about 10,000 feet or so, and I think that's causing a lot of these raindrops to evaporate. But let's take a look at our local radar here out of New Braunfels. Notice when you use just a single site radar, as these returns get closer, remember the curvature of the Earth, the further away you are from New Braunfels, because that's where the radar site is, the more returns you'll have. Because of the curvature of the Earth, the radar beam is in the clouds or more into the clouds. And as the returns get closer to the radar site, well, they're lower to the ground. And this is telling me that a lot of this is probably not even reaching the ground, as you can see here, because when we go back to the other one, it just looks like a whole lot more. Let's look at eastern Bexar County there. You can see more returns, but when you just look at the one single site radar out of New Braunfels, they just disappear. So lots of cloud cover, lots of mid-level moisture. A lot of that is not reaching the ground. Now, if you're watching from southwest counties, south counties, that's a different story. I think you are going to have some scattered showers this morning. And you know what? Here in Bexar County, I can't rule out a sprinkle. It just don't expect much in the rain gauge because you're not going to get it. All right, 57 is the current temperature. It is cool because of the clouds. Bernie's at 54. Kerrville also coming in at around 54 degrees this morning. All right, we've got a frontal boundary way down south, kind of parked up against the mountains there in Mexico, and we do have some overrunning. We've got a southwest flow aloft that's causing a lot of cloud cover, and again, I showed you the radar and what's going on the radar this morning. Most of those returns, no rain except for southwestern counties. Notice how cool it is up around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's 53, Midland's at 50. We're now at 62, Amarillo's in the 40s at around 49. All right, today as we head through the day, I'm expecting a high in the mid-60s. Boy, it's really chilly around the Great Lakes. Temperatures there in the 30s. And Phoenix, Arizona, temperature is in the mid-70s, around 75. Matter of fact, Boise, Idaho, I think, may be a little bit warmer than what we'll see here. That doesn't happen very often. All right, I'm watching this upper level system. See it spinning around there, around Arizona. Over the next 24 hours, just will not want to move anywhere. But eventually, I think as we head into Thursday, timing is going to be everything. We'll have this system come in with those red blobs. Those are disturbances, adding lift to the atmosphere. And so if this comes in the morning when we're cooler, maybe some strong thunderstorms. If this comes through in the afternoon, perhaps some severe thunderstorms. Right now, I'm leaning more towards just strong, leaning towards the morning and afternoon. Seeing some sunshine on Thursday. That's the way I'm leaning now, but it's all about timing, and that timing could definitely change a little bit. So as we head through the day today, high temperatures in the mid-60s. I think maybe a sprinkle this morning, probably nothing this afternoon, and then tomorrow it's going to be really chilly in the morning with lows in the mid-40s, and then highs tomorrow struggling to reach 60 for your Tuesday. And I think Wednesday is going to be a little on the cool side as well. All right, your 7-day forecast, here we go. Today, maybe a sprinkle, that's a big maybe, mostly cloudy, highs in the mid-60s. Tomorrow morning, cool, low temperatures in the mid-40s, around 45, high at about 60, cloudy and cool for your Tuesday. Wednesday, high only at around 66, so another real cool day. Notice the averages up there in the upper part of your screen, 74 is where we should be. So it's kind of cool for this time of the year. 20% chance of a shower on Wednesday. Thursday morning, it's the way it looks to me now. Thursday morning, about a 50-50 shot of a thunderstorm. Again, some of those could be strong. And then high at about 78, 82 Friday, and then the weekend coming up, a little breezy on Sunday with high temperatures in the upper 70s. All right, make sure to watch us at noon, 4, 5, 6, and 10, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. Matter of fact, I'm doing the noon show today, and we're getting close, so I got to go. All right, thanks for streaming with us. Appreciate it. We'll see you later.